After all these years and speaking to a lot of flat earthers, I never have come across any flat earther who have said to me that the reason why they started researching this topic and finding out the truth was because of the sun.
The final experiment have been devastating for flat Earth. One of them that have problems with it is CC Chris from New York. We will look at him today, and not only about the Antarctic sun.
You know, after all these years and speaking to a lot of flat earthers, I never have come across any flat earther who have said to me that the reason why they started researching this topic and finding out the truth was because of the sun.
And the reason to that is very simple. Because how the sun works in reality don't fit a flat earth model. So that's why they don't pay any interest for how the sun works.
Not a single person. Usually it's curvature, it's NASA, history. Everything has just been rewritten, basically, or history is not what you've learned. I mean, every fucking thing you've learned is a lie, basically, everything. They're hiding everything from you. People just go along and along with their business. I mean, that's what they do,
So everything is a lie. History, everything that you learned is a lie. How do you know that? Perhaps that's a lie from you.
But the one that really concerns me is everybody's up in heaval about this whole thing of this Antarctic whatever bullshit and the sun. I'm not saying that they didn't go down there, of course. They went down there. What they saw, I don't know, but that doesn't prove anything. It proves nothing. Get on with your fucking life and let's continue doing research with flat earth here. All right? This is bullshit. This is total fucking utter nonsense as far as I'm concerned. I don't give a shit what they saw. I could care less. I know what the fuck I see. I know what I see with NASA. I know what I see with no curvature. I know what I see with history. I know that every fucking thing is a fucking lie. And if you can't see that, and you're focused in on something up there, you're lost. I mean, there's so many other things to research. It's unbelievable. Unfucking believable. Why this is wasting everybody's time.
Oh dear, CC is afraid of the sun, the Antarctic sun. Therefore, he don't care. Because the sun, the 24-hour sun on Antarctica, don't work on your silly flat earth model. Let's move on to another of CC's brilliant videos.
A year and a half ago, they showed a picture of heaven. Remember that picture? I think it was the Hubble telescope took it. That's right.
Is he talking about the biblical heaven or I don't understand.
Okay, well, first off, if they actually did find something like that, they wouldn't tell anybody about it. But anyway, I love, it's just to reinforce space. But I was rethinking that picture, and I was just looking at it the other day. And it brought up an interesting thing. Maybe they're trying to tell us, you see, with the ice wall, okay, not the ice wall, the dome, the container that's covering us, okay, and the fact that there's more land out there.
So is there no ice wall and dome and more land? Do you have any evidence for that? Of course not.
All right. The fact that there is obviously a way to get past our area into extra land at certain times of the year.
Okay, and have you seen this portal to the extra land? And when in the year are it possible to go there? This is so stupid, CC.
Okay. What happens if that picture that they show us is actually one of the countries or something like that, that it's the first thing that you see when you enter their extra land. Are you following me on this?
Sorry, Cece, I don't follow you in your dreams. Oh dear, this is hilarious. Let's move on to the next stupidity from Cece.
My phone no longer has a compartment for speaker to hook up, not speakers. Headphones. Okay.
So CC is missing the compartment in his phone where you store headphones. Have anybody seen such a phone?
And that's all the new phones are like that. And this does not have a little coaxy plug-in or whatever the fuck you want to call it. Whatever the fuck it is, I could care less. All I know is I just went into Best Buy. Okay? And, they've done this to themselves. This is why these freaking businesses are going out. Okay? Because you have no choice. You've got to buy your shit on Amazon at this point if you want to get any deal at all whatsoever. All right? Let's take, for example, their choices. And I don't even want to tell you the names of these headphones, because I don't know anything about headphones.
So he don't know anything about headphones, but I believe he have a strong opinion about headphones.
Your choice is to buy a $449 one.
CC, was that the only option on Best Buy US? I think I have to have a look at that webpage. Here we have a pair from JVC for under $24. And the noise cancelling ones from Sony for $150.
I saw one for $379. Okay, do you realize how much that is? That's a fucking car payment for headphones. I remember I could just get some headphones for like $30, $40, maybe $80. Plug it right into your phone, had a little speaker system on it. A microphone system on it. You could talk, communicate to everybody. So I go into Best Buy and that's what I find.
I think CC needs to learn how to use internet, how to find information. It's the same with Flat Earth. He never do any research at all.
I find nothing but bullshit. And people wonder why these companies are going out of business. Best Buy, you suck. Fuck you. I would never spend $439 for a fucking headphones for my goddamn phone. Are you fucking kidding me? All I want is a Bluetooth headset. That's it. And that's what they want.
It's obvious that CC don't understand how webshop works. Perhaps he would ask his wife for help so he can find the right products.
People pay these prices in Westchester County, and I just can't understand. You go to a bar now, and a glass of wine. And that wine that you're drinking, by the way, is like a $10.99 bottle. And you're spending for a glass of wine, not even a 6-ounce glass of wine, you are paying $21 for a glass of wine.
No headphones and no wine for CC.
$21 fucking dollars for a glass of wine here in Westchester County. That's great, guys. Fucking A. Has your salary gone up? Oh, no, it hasn't. Mine hasn't.
It's obvious that CC is struggling. He's struggling with understanding anything regarding the shape of the earth and the world we live in. He have a problem finding headphones in a price range that suits him. And he can't even go to a bar and take a glass of wine. And his salary haven't been raised. Oh dear. This was a shorter video. I hope you liked it. I will be back. I don't know when, man, but I will be back. See you later. Have a nice day. Bye.